Hi everyone, welcome to On the Table. I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Skillet chocolate chip cookie. This recipe comes together quickly, has a delicious chewy texture, and best yet, does not require you to lug out your stand mixer. For this recipe, you'll need unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, chocolate chips, brown sugar, granulated sugar, kosher salt, vanilla bean paste, large eggs, and baking soda. First, I'm going to start by browning 9 tablespoons of the butter in the skillet I will bake the cookie in. This is best done in a 9-inch heavyweight skillet like this enameled cast iron skillet. Cook the butter until it's golden brown and develops a nutty aroma. This will take about 5 minutes. Once browned, pour into a large mixing bowl and add the remaining butter. Whisk until melted and cooled. To the butter, add the brown sugar, granulated sugar, vanilla, and salt. Whisk until smooth. Add in the 2 eggs and whisk again till smooth. Now, to a separate bowl that has a fine mesh strainer set over top, add the flour and baking soda. Sift the 2 ingredients together to combine and break up any lumps. Now, add your dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture. Stir with a spoon until all of the flour has been absorbed. Add your chocolate chips and stir again to combine. Pour all of this dough into the skillet and smooth into an even layer. Transfer the skillet to your preheated oven and bake until the edges are golden brown and the cookie is set. The top of the cookie will be matte in appearance and no longer shiny. Place the skillet on a wire cooling rack and cool for at least 30 minutes before you slice into wedges. This is delicious served warm with a scoop of ice cream. Enjoy!